Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our channel JP Home Tuitions. Interesting topic today in Max Nursery about the colors. Okay, today I will show you some of the colors. Okay, look some colors. What colors I'll say? This is green, this is pink, this is blue, this is brown, this is dark green, this is orange, this is blue color, this is black, this is purple, this is yellow, and this is red. In this you should find out which color it is. Okay, hello children, in these colors you should find out which color they asked. So I'll show you. Okay, in this before I have showed you the all colors. Now in this what they asked you should show here. See what they asked here. Red. Where is the red in this? See, this is the red color it is. We have red sketch. This is called red. Okay, are you understand? This is called is red. Next, what they asked? Next one, yellow. In this, see, this is called yellow. This is yellow, and the sketch is yellow. This color denotes yellow. Got point? Next, what they asked? Blue. See, blue. Where is the blue here? See, this is blue color. See, blue. I will show you the sketch. This is blue sketch. Okay, this is called blue color. Next what they asked? Orange. See, this is orange. Okay, see, I'll show the sketch. This is orange color. Okay children, for next question they asked green. Green means which color that is? I'll show it. Okay, green. In this is called green, dark green. So I'll show the sketch also. Okay, this is defined green. Okay, we'll see in the next one. Have you remembered this? Red, look properly, green, yellow, orange, and blue. See here, in next topic what they have asked you? Purple. In this all purple, I'll show this. This is called purple. Okay, I'll show the sketch. This is purple color. Okay, what? This is purple. Okay, next what they asked? Black. Where is the black here? This is black. So sketch. This is black color. Observe it. Okay, this is the black. Next they asked white. White means this is total. This is white color. Next, pink they asked. See, this is pink color and also pink. This is a pink sketch. Okay, today the class is very interesting, right? Okay, thank you children.